everybody,
Hello.
and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Arne and Carlos, and today we bring you some recycling tips.
Yes.
Yes.
We brought out our, what do you call this in English?
Carders,
Carders?
I guess.
Carders.
Yeah,
These
it's to card wool. So
This is very old, but still working.
we've got a lot of this stuff lying on the table. It's all the little ends that we've cut. You know, this is from different kinds of projects.
And we don't throw anything away.
And we don't throw anything away because we are big believers of recycling, and we think that you can use up as much as possible of the materials you work with and, you know, repurpose them for other things. So as we've been working, probably making, you know, blankets, like for example, the butterfly blanket, tying in the loose ends, weaving them in, cutting the ends out. Instead of throwing it away, we keep this in plastic bags.
And we make this.
Yes, we make wool stuffing out of it because, as you know, we do Christmas balls, we've done a book on birds, we've done the book on knitted dolls, toys that are knitted and then stuffed. And instead of going out to buy expensive carded wool, why not just take the rests of what you have and card it into your own stuffing?
Especially if you knit and crochet a lot, you will have a lot of these after a while.
So that's a recycling tip that we have. Get out there, go look in thrift stores, go look in craft stores, find these tools to card your own filling.
You could use the yarn as it is, but we like to card it because then it's softer. So we just use this one and we make new wool.
Stuffing.
New stuffing. My father told me that his father was doing this for my great-grandmother. So in the evening after work he was doing this, they called it tuller, these things. And then she was spinning the yarn. It's nice to recycle stuff.
Yeah, you can use basically anything,
So you just,
as long as it's natural wool. So basically you can't use anything. You can only use wool for this project.
we tried with cotton, but it's kind of hard to card.
Yeah, so use wool and it'll be easier.
And then you see you get this nice.
And it's perfect
Soft
because I have a
tulle.
bird here ready to be stuffed. So let me take some of this while you keep carding. I will stuff the bird.
And don't put too much at the time because then it's really hard to card. And the sound is really nice. So this is what we do in the evening when there's nothing else to do.
Yeah. So this was one of our recycling tips. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We bring you loads of tips on recycling. We've got patterns there that you can knit from and tutorials.
Do I make too much noise now?
No, you're okay. Let's just keep carding and looking forward to seeing you again in a week's time. So thanks for watching, and please remember to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see.
And don't throw away.
And don't throw away your bits and bobs.
Bits and
Recycle.
bobs.
Thank you very much for watching. See you again. Bye.
Bye.